In a world of fast fashion and blink and you will miss it trend, there is something revolutionary about a garment that started as a single string of yarn and a single silver hook. You have seen them on the runway, you have seen them all over your Pinterest feed. But let's be real, not all crochet is created equal. Today I am taking you behind the scenes of our latest collection. We are talking about the silhouettes that flatter, stitches that braids, and the kind of heirloom quality that makes add to cart feel like an investment in art. You have been looking for that perfect head turning piece for your next vacation or a cozy chic staple. For your wardrobe, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the designs. First of all, we are learning into the eternal norm vibe. This section is all about the maxi, not the drape on the screen piece. We have seen the micronized cotton blend to ensure it has the weight without being heavy. The secret here is the transition from a tight moss stitch around the bodice for the sport, flowing into these gorgeous oversized pineapple at the hem. Whether you are styling these for a beach wedding or layering them over a slip for a festival, these are designs to move with you. On Etsy, these are our top rated vacation essentials because they are packed flattered and never wrinkled. Seriously, shake it out of the suitcase and you will ready to glow. Now let's pivot. Crochet isn't just for the beach anymore. We have been experimenting with structures, bodycon, minis and geometric patterns that feel more metaphoric than mid-off. Look at the stitch definition on this monochrome checkerboard piece. It's edgy, it's bold and defines the grandma dolly stereotypes. From my Shopify